Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's lecture is about RNA viruses, including Toga and arbovirus. Toga virus family comprises two genera, the rubiviruses, which include rubella virus, and the alpha viruses, which include some of the arthropod borne viruses. Rubella, German measles, is caused by a spherical enveloped RNA virus which is easily killed by heat and ultraviolet light. While rubella can occur sporadically, epidemics are not uncommon. It has a worldwide distribution. Spread of the rubella virus is via droplets. Maximum infectivity occurs before and during the time the rash is present. The incubation period is 2 to 3 weeks, averaging 18 days. The clinical features are largely determined by age, with symptoms being mild or absent in children under 5 years. During the prodrome, the patient may develop malaise and fever and mild conjunctivitis and lymphadenopathy. The distribution of lymphadenopathy is characteristic and involves particularly the suboccipital, post-auricular and posterior cervical groups of lymph nodes. Small petechial lesions on the soft palate, Foshemus spots, are suggestive but not diagnostic of rubella. Splenomegaly may be present. De-eruptive or exanthematous phase usually occurs within the first 7 days of the initial symptoms. The rash first appears on the forehead and then spreads to involve the trunk and limbs. The rash is pinkish red, macular and discrete, although some of these lesions may coalesce. It usually fades by the second day and rarely persists beyond third day after its appearance. Complications are rare. They include superadded pulmonary bacterial infections, thrombocytopenia, arthralgias, which are common in females, hemorrhagic manifestations due to thrombocytopenia, and encephalitis. Rubella affects the fetuses of up to 80% of all women who contract the infection during the first trimester of pregnancy. The incidence of congenital abnormalities diminish in the second trimester and no ill effects results from infection in the third trimester. Congenital rubella syndrome is characterized by the presence of fetal cardiac malformations, especially patent ductus arteriosus and ventricular septal defect. Eye lesions, especially cataracts, mental retardation, microcephaly, and deafness can also occur in congenital rubella syndrome. Here is ventricular septal defect shown in this echocardiographic image in a patient with congenital rubella. The expanded rubella syndrome consists of the manifestations of congenital rubella syndrome plus other effects including hepatosplenomegaly, myocarditis, interstitial pneumonia, and metaphyseal bone lesions. The diagnosis of rubella may be suspected clinically, but laboratory diagnosis is essential to distinguish the illness from other viral infections, for example, erythrovirus B19, echovirus, and also to distinguish it from the drug rashes. Diagnosis is achieved by the detection of rubella specific immunoglobulin M by ELISA in an acute serum sample, preferably confirmed by demonstration of immunoglobulin G seroconversion or a rising titer of immunoglobulin G in a subsequent sample taken 14 days later. Viral genome can be detected in throat swabs or oral fluid samples, urine, and in the case of intrauterine infection, the products of conception. Treatment for rubella is supportive. Human immunoglobulin can decrease the symptoms of this already mild illness but does not prevent the teratogenic effects. Several live attenuated rubella vaccines have been used with great success in preventing this illness, and these have been successfully combined with the measles and mumps vaccine called MMR, administered 9 to 12 months first dose and 16 to 24 months second dose. The side effect of vaccination have been dramatically decreased by using vaccines prepared in human embryonic fibroblast cultures or a 27/3 vaccine. Vaccine should not be used during pregnancy or if there is a likelihood of pregnancy within 3 months of immunization. Inadvertent use of vaccine during pregnancy has not, however, revealed a risk of teratogenicity. Arboviruses are zoonotic viruses with the possible exception of onion fever virus, of which humans are the only known vertebral or vertebrate hosts. Arboviruses are transmitted through the bites of insects, especially mosquitoes and ticks. Over 385 viruses are classified as arboviruses. Culex, Aedes, and Anopheles mosquitoes account for the transmission of the majority of arboviruses. Although most arbovirus diseases are generally mild, epidemics are frequent, and when these occur, the mortality is high. In general, the incubation period for arbovirus diseases is less than 10 days. The illness due to arboviruses tend to be biphasic, and as in other viral fevers, pyrexia, conjunctival suffusion, rash, retroorbital pain, myalgia, and arthralgia are common. Lymphadenopathy is seen in dengue. Lifelong immunity to a particular virus is usual. In some of these viral fevers, hemorrhage is a feature. Increased vascular permeability, capillary fragility, and consumptive coagulopathy have been implicated as causes of the hemorrhage. Encephalitis resulting from cerebral invasion may be prominent in some fevers. These are the viruses which present as bleeding as one of their manifestations. So you can see flavivirus, yellow fever, dengue hemorrhagic fever, forest disease, OMSK hemorrhagic fever, from Bunya virus, Rift Valley fever, Congo Crimean hemorrhagic fever, hantavirus infection, amongst arenaviruses, Argentinian hemorrhagic fever, Bolivian hemorrhagic fever, Lassa fever, epidemic hemorrhagic fever, and among filovirus, Marburg and Ebola virus cause bleeding. Alpha viruses is a group of 24 viruses which are all transmitted by mosquitoes. 8 of the alpha viruses result in human disease. Alpha viruses have a worldwide presence, and they tend to acquire names from the location where they were first isolated. For example, Ross River, eastern Venezuela, and western encephalitis viruses, or they may be named by the local expression for a major symptom caused by the virus, such as chikungunya, meaning doubled up. Infection is characterized by fever, headache, maculopapular skin rash, arthralgia, myalgia, and sometimes encephalitis. Major epidemics of chikungunya were reported in India, Sri Lanka, and islands in the Indian Ocean. Mauritius was one of the places. in 2005 and 6 with at least 1 million cases and several hundred deaths. The severity of these epidemics is possibly due to a viral strain with mutations resulting in a higher neurovirulence. Several European countries reported cases of chikungunya in returning travelers, including 133 cases in the UK in 2006. The virus may now populate the local Aedes mosquito via increased number of travelers who may import virus into countries where it has not previously been described. This has resulted in outbreaks in Italy with over 150 cases and one death reported in 2007.